Hi, my name's Tamsin Suarez. I run the Mummy and Me Breastfeeding Support Group. This week, between the 1st and the 7th of August, is the World Breastfeeding Week to celebrate mums who can breastfeed. It's called the Big Latch On. Everyone around the world is all latching on to their babies for 1 minute. We're trying to beat the world record for mums simultaneously breastfeeding.
It's very comforting from them. Just the fact of not having to have bottles, sterilize them, make the formula milk, carry everything with you.
So it's actually more convenient.
Exactly, it's more comfortable, more convenient.
We've had 20 mums come to breastfeed today, promoting mums who breastfeed in Gibraltar and out in public, and what's good for the baby and good for mum, and just to get it out there.